Hello, welcome back to my channel Awesome Learning, and today's topic in the various separation techniques is crystallization. Today we will learn how to prepare the crystal of pure copper sulfate from an impure sample. This means, children, we will take an impure sample of copper sulfate. Impure sample of copper sulfate will be taken, and then we will take out pure crystals from this impure sample. Okay, so let's see how it is done. We require crude sample of copper sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid, ethyl alcohol, cold water mixture, distilled water, beakers, measuring cylinders, spatula, glass rod, china dish, funnel, filter papers, iron stand with clamp, crystallizing dish, trough, sand bath, etc. Take 30 ml of distilled water in the measuring cylinder and pour it into the clean beaker. Take a small quantity of powdered crude sample of copper sulfate using the spatula and add copper sulfate into the beaker containing distilled water. Stir the contents of the beaker well using the glass rod to dissolve it. Make several additions of the powdered sample till a little of it remains undissolved even if it is stirred for some time. Take 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid and in the measuring cylinder, add it into the beaker containing saturated solution of copper sulfate and stir the solution using the glass rod. Observe that the solution of copper sulfate becomes transparent by the addition of sulfuric acid, thereby preventing the hydrolysis of copper sulfate. Take the china dish and place it below the stand. Take a funnel and fix it onto the stand. The stem of the funnel should touch the china dish to avoid splashing out of the solution. Place the filter paper in the funnel. Place the glass rod over the funnel and pour the solution into the funnel through the glass rod and collect the filtrate in the china dish. The insoluble impurities are left behind on the filter paper. Heat the solution in the china dish on the sand bath and stirring using the glass rod to avoid the crust formation on the sides of the dish. Don't allow the solution in the dish to boil. Continue heating till the solution is reduced to about 1/3 of the original volume. Take a drop of the solution using the glass rod and cool it by gently blowing on it. The appearance of tiny crystals on the glass rod shows the crystallization point has now reached, and now turn off the burner and stop heating. Transfer the hot solution into the crystallizing dish. Place the crystallizing dish containing hot saturated solution on the trough half filled with water. Allow it to cool slowly for some time. Deep blue crystals of copper sulfate will separate out after about half an hour of the crystallization is complete. Decant off the mother liquor carefully from the beaker and wash the crystals with a little ethyl alcohol containing small amount of cold water. Remove the crystals on the filter paper, which soaks the solution. Transfer the crystals to another filter paper and dry them by pressing gently with another filter paper. Transfer the crystals into the dry test tube and cork it. The crystals of copper sulfate are triclinic, transparent and blue, as you see.